what's up, YouTube? It's your DeSiree, and I'm back on the camera with another video today. Y'all have to tune in to Vlogmas. Day 10. We got 15 more days left of Vlogmas, so.
I'm able. Mama,
What you laughing for?
Said I'm able.
Oh, yeah. We got Ava in the cut once again, and today y'all can see by their title. It's gonna finger paint. I was at, wait, they can't hear me. As y'all can see by their title, we about to finger paint. She got pink, I got purple,
I got pink.
and we got these little canvases. And we
Yeah.
finna finger paint. And y'all just don't watch us finger paint. I saw these at Five Below, and I was like, oh, this would be so fun. And I was like, I might as well record it. So, y'all finna see us finger paint.
Mama, do it.
You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
Put this down.
No, you gotta take the plastic off first.
Mario, what's this?
Okay, now you take this off. Pull it like this.
This right here?
There we go. Now you get one.
You brought it.
I'll get one. Oh, we got another plastic on this one.
That's yours.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
That's opening it now.
So we got two
Where I get this
canvases.
from?
Show them. So we got two canvases.
Open it.
Here, let me open it for you. And we got a plate and a sponge for our
I'm
plate.
gonna paint too.
But you can still use your fingers
My
because
definitely
it comes
break
out.
it.
Huh?
I break it.
No, don't break your plate. Okay. What is this?
Apple?
Is you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't start without mama, okay?
What do you mean? I do it.
Okay, squeeze it on there. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Hey,
I
wait.
do now.
No, wait, mama gotta go.
See, cheap.
You ain't gonna wait on mama?
That's a little bit.
Yeah. It's okay. Why mine's not coming?
My open it. My open it.
There it go.
Oh. Give me that. Why is my pillow? My that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's enough.
Wait on mama. Hey, I know you're so excited. It's fun. I know. You can use your finger too.
Oh.
Okay, now put your paint right here. Put your canvas right there. Okay.
Open it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Three.
go.
You can use your finger, see?
Oh. Oh.
Look at the masterpiece.
I'm doing it.
So she covered her board in the background pink and white. So then I mixed the pink and purple. So I mixed it to make a lighter purple. So when she did her hand, you could see it. No, we done. And then on mine, I put the dates. So we know what date we did this. So we got her hand. We gotta let it dry, man. And we got the date. December 10th. Vlogmas day 10. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notifications because we got videos coming every day until January the 1st. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, when we get to 10K subscribers, we're going to have a giveaway, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Vlogmas Day 11 on the way. Bye, guys.